Hello dear students, in this class we will continue with the progression second class. Okay, so here we have a question. If the third and ninth term of AP is 4 and minus 8 respectively, which of these AP is 0? So here given what is given. Third term, okay, third term of AP is 4 and ninth term is equals to minus 8. Okay, so A3 is equals to 4, A9 is equals to minus 8. So A3 is what? A3 is what? A plus 2D is equals to 4, and A9 is A plus 8D is equals to minus 8. So this is quality equation 1 and quality equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Okay. A plus 2D is equals to 4. A plus 8D is equals to minus 8. So minus will become plus. Okay. So AA cancel. 2D minus 8D is minus 6D is equals to 8 plus 4 is 12. So D is equals to minus 12 by 6, send it to the right hand side by 6. Okay. So what it is the common difference 2, right? Minus 2 is a common difference, and the first term we don't know, right? So substitute D is equals to D value, substitute D value in any one of the equations. So I am substituting in one equation 1. So A is what? We don't know. Plus 2 is there. 2 times of D is equals to 4 is there. D is minus 2. So substitute minus 2. So here A is 2 2 is a 4, minus 4 is equals to 4. Minus 4 bring it to the right hand side. So 4 plus 4 is equals to A. A is equals to 4 plus 4 is 8. Therefore A is equals to 8 is the first term, and the common difference is minus 2. And what is asking? Which term of AP is 0? Is asking which term of AP is 0. Okay, that means N is asking at what type of N, at what of N 0 term will appear is asking. So assume AN is equals to, here asking AN is equals to 0 is given. Okay, this is given indirectly. So is asking what is the N value is asking. Okay, so AN is what? A plus N minus 1 into D formula, right, is equals to 0. A is given, A is we found A plus N minus 1 into D value is minus 2, right, minus 2 is equals to 0. So is asking N is asking, and which term you will get 0. So N is asking, okay, 8. So bring this 8 to the right hand side. So minus 2 into N minus 1 is equals to, this is minus 8. Minus cancel. 2 send it to the right hand side. N minus 1 is equals to 8 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. N minus 1 is equals to 4. Bring this minus 1 to the right hand side. It will become N is equals to 4 plus 1. Hence N is equals to 5. Therefore N is equals to 5 is the answer. N is equals to 5 at the fifth term you will get the 0. Therefore we can write it at fifth term 0 term, at the fifth term 0 we will get in series, in series. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, done. So here we have how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. Okay, 250. So here how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. So here let us consider we are writing AP. Okay, 10 in between. 10 is not divisible by 4, multiples of 4. 10 is not multiple of 4. 11 is not multiple of 4. 12 is multiple of 4. Okay, 12 is multiple of 4. Next 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is a multiple of 4, right? And so on up to here 250. 250 is what? Not multiple of 4, right? Is this a multiple of 4? Let us say here 4 6 are 24. 1 comes here 10. 10 means 4 2 is 8. Point something. Okay, point something you are getting. So this is not a multiple of 4. Next 249 is not multiple of 4. 248 is multiple of 4. See here, if I divide this 4 6 are 24 and 4 2 are 8, 62 you are getting. That means 4 248 is multiple. 248 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, this is a multiples. Okay, 4 multiple is 12, 16 multiple, 4 multiple is 16, and so on up to these numbers we have. Now this we made an AP series. We made an AP series in terms of 4 multiples. Now, what is asking how many multiples we have? 12 to 248. How many numbers we have is asking. Okay, how many numbers? Such kind of numbers. How many we have? That means he is asking n. What is n is asking? So a is given. A is 12 and common difference. Common difference is second term minus first term. 16 minus 12, which is 4. Common difference is 4. Next, we have a last term an. An is equals to what? 248. Okay, an is equals to 248 we have. An is last nth term. Nth term is we have 248, right? 248 is nth term. Now an is what? An is a plus n minus 1 into d formula is equals to 248. A value is given. A value is 12 plus n minus 1 into difference d is 4 is equals to 248. Bring this 12 to the right hand side. 4 into n minus 1 is equals to 248 minus 12. So here if I just do subtract 36, okay, 236 and 4 into n minus 1. So if I send this 4 to the right hand side, n minus 1 is equals to 236 by 4. Okay, next bring this minus 1 to the right hand side, it will become plus 1, right? 236 by 4 plus 1. Do LCM, you have 4 by 4, so by 4, and 236 plus 4, therefore 236 plus 4 is 240 by 4. Okay, so 4 6 are 20, therefore n is equals to what is the result? 60. Okay, n is equals to 60. Here total we have 60 number of terms we have. Okay, therefore 60 multiples we have. Therefore 60 number of terms which is multiple of 4. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. This is the solution. Okay, that's all. This is the solution is asking. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs are equal is asking. So here first AP is we have 63, comma 65, comma 67, comma and so on is a 1 AP, and here 3, comma 10, comma 17, comma and so on is a 1 AP. Okay, is asking for nth term. Nth term both are equal. So nth term, what is the formula? Nth term a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term formula, right? So this is the nth term formula. Here first term given series, first term is 63 and common difference is what? 65 minus 63. Second term is first term, common difference is 2. Common difference is 2 and the first term is 63. Therefore can I write a nth term? An is equals to a is what? 63 plus n minus 1 into d. 1 into d is 2. Okay, so 63 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 into 1, 2. So 63 plus minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. Therefore nth term is an is 61 plus 2n. Okay, next a is first term 3, common difference is 10 minus 3, which is 7. Common difference is 7 and the first term is 3. Then nth term an is equals to a form a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7. Okay, an is equals to 3 plus 7 into n, 7n minus 7 into 1, 7. So an is equals to 3 minus 4. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 7n minus 4. Okay, 7n minus 4. So these two nth terms are equal. These two nth terms are equal in order to find n value. Okay, a nth term is equals to this nth term, both are equal. Okay, therefore 61 plus 2n is equals to 7n minus 4. Minus 4 send it to the left hand side, 2n to the right hand side. Then what you will get? 61 minus 4 will become plus 4. is equals to 7n minus 2n plus 2n will become minus 2n. So from here we can write it as 61 plus 4 is 65 is equals to 7 minus 2 is 5n. So therefore 5 send it to the left hand side, 65 by 5 is equals to n. So here n is equals to 5 ones are 5, and next 5 3 is a 15, therefore 13. 5 n is equals to 13 is the, for what value of n both n terms are equal means for n is equals to 13, for n is equals to 13 both n terms are equal. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. At n is equals to 13 both nth term are equal. That's all. This is the solution. Okay. So here find the 20th term from the end of the AP. So here given AP is series. Given AP is 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma and so on up to 253. So from the end 20th term is asking. So better to write from reverse. Okay. 253. First of all, what is the common difference? Here. What is the common difference between 3 and 5? How much common difference is there? Okay, what is the common difference here? For this series, common difference is what? 8 minus 3 is what? 5, right? 5. So 13 minus 8 is how much? That one is also 5. So common difference is 5. I am subtracting from here. I am writing reverse. 253, comma. If I subtract 5 from here, I can get it as 248. 248. If I subtract 5, then I can get 243, right? And so on up to 3. Okay, up to 3. Here I am writing the reverse. Okay, reverse, because he is asking from the end. That is the reason why I am just writing the reverse. Okay, so write the reverse, and here from here write 20th term. From here 20th term. A is equals to first term 253. Common difference is second term minus first term, 248 minus 253, which is common difference is minus 5. Right, common difference is minus 5, and the first term is 253. So what is asking? 20th term is asking 20. So A20 is equals to formula A plus 19D. So A is what? 253 plus 19 into D is minus 5. Okay, so 253 minus 5 nines are 45. 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9, 95. Therefore 253 minus 95. Okay, 253 minus 95, what is the result? It is 158. Okay, 820 is 158. That's all. This is the required solution. Okay, this is the required solution. Done. Here we have a determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Okay. So given data first we will write. Okay, given data, third term is equals to 16. Okay, A3 is equals to 16. A3 means what? A plus 2D is equals to 16, right? A plus 2D. Next, seventh term exceeds. Seventh term means A7 exceeds fifth term by 12, right? I'm adding 12 more. So this is A5, not A to the power of 5. This is fifth term plus 12. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That is the reason why this is according to the question given. So seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12 means A7 is equals to A5 plus 12. Okay. Now from here we can write it as A plus 2D is equals to 16. And here A7 is what? A7 is a given. Now A7 is what? A plus 60 is equals. A5 means A plus 40 plus 12. Okay. So plus I cancel. Right. If I bring this term to the left hand side, I can get minus I can get minus 4D. Okay. A plus 60 minus a minus 4d is equals to 12. So plus a minus a is 0, and 60 minus 40 is 2d is equals to 12. 2, send it to the right hand side, so you will get 12 by 2. So d is equals to 2 6 are 12, therefore d is equals to 6. Therefore d is equals to 6. You have d is equals to 6. Substitute in this equation. Now substituting in this equation, d is equals to 6. Okay, so I am substituting in this. A plus 2 into d value is 6 is equals to 16. So a plus 2 6 are 12 is equals to 16. Okay, so from here 2 6 are 12 is equals to 16. Send this 12 to the right hand side. A is equals to 16 minus 12. Therefore a is equals to 2. A is equals to 2 and d is equals to 6. So what is asking? Determine the AP. Okay, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term is exit by 7. Okay, now he is asking to find the AP series. Okay, what is arithmetic progression? Your first term is 2. Arithmetic progression A is a plus d comma a plus 2d comma and so on up to. Okay, so from here I can write it as a is 2, a plus d is a plus 2 plus 6 is how much? 8, and a plus 2d is what? 2 6 are 12 plus 2. Put in, right? Common difference is 6 here, so add to 6 here, add 6 here. 8 plus 6 is how much? 14, right? So and so on up to. This is a AP series, that's all. This is the solution is asking. Okay, is asking AP series, so we found AP. That's all. This is the answer. Is this clear? I'm done. Okay. So here we have a question. The 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay, first we will write the 17th term. What is 17th term? Okay, 17th term. 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. So I am adding 7 to the 10th term. Okay. So here 17th term is what? 17th term is 17th term is equals to A17. Okay, A17 can be written as A plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 17 is there. So substitute here 17. A plus 17 minus 1 into d, which is what? A plus 16d, right? We can write it directly. A17 is A plus 16d. And next 10th term is what? 10th term is equals to A10. Can be written as A plus, decrease 10 by 1. Okay, 9d. So this is A plus 9d. So A17 is A plus 16d. Okay, here A17 is this and A10 is this. Okay, now from here what is given? This is a given condition. This is a given. So from according to the given, I am writing according to the question. According to question. So your 17th term is what? 17th term is A plus 16d is equals to 10th term is what? 10th term is A plus 9d plus 7, right? 7. So from here A send it to the left hand side, and this term is also left hand side. A plus 16d minus A minus 9d is equals to 7. So from here we can say that plus a minus a cancel. 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. D is equals to 7. So D is equals to 7 by 7. 7 ones are 7. D is equals to 1. Therefore D is equals to 1. Hence we have D is equals to 1. Common difference is asking. So we got the common difference. What is asking? Find the common difference. So therefore the solution is this. Therefore common difference D is equals to 1 is a solution. Clear? So here how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? First of all, 3-digit number starts from 100, right? So 100 is not divisible by 7. Okay. 101 is not divisible by 7. 102 is not divisible by 7. 103 is not divisible by 7. Okay. And 104 is not divisible by 7. 105 is not divisible by 7. Divisible by 7, right? 7 ones are 7. Okay. 105 is divisible by 7, and add 7 to the 107, 105. What you will get? 112, 112, and so on up to at the last number. We don't know, right? 999 is our last number. Whether it is divisible, check once. It is not divisible, right? 994 is divisible. 994 is divisible by 7, right? So here 994 is divisible by 7. 994 is divisible by 7. Therefore we have a AP series. Okay, what is asking? How many 3-digit numbers are there is asking. In between 105 to 994, how many digits are there in between them? Is asking what is n value. What is n value? Okay, first we will find a is equals to what? A is first term 105, and the common difference is second term minus first term, right? Second term minus first term will gives you common difference is 7. Okay, 7, common difference is 7, and the first term is 105. Okay, next, last term is nothing but nth term, right? Last term is nothing but nth term, 994. So we know nth term formula. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, right? A plus n minus 1 into d. So from here we can write it as an is a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 994. So from here a value is how much? 105. A value is 105 minus n minus 1 into d value is how much? D value is common difference 7 is equals to 994. Okay, bring this 105 to the right hand side. 7 into n minus 1 is equals to 994 minus 105. So what you will get here in the result? 994. So 994 minus 105 is, let's check what? 994, 105. So this will become 9, and this is 889. Okay, 889. So 7 into n minus 1 is equals to 889. So here what we can write here, send 7 to the right hand side. N minus 1 is equals to 889 by 7. Okay, I am dividing. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 4 comes here, 14, and 7 sevens are 49. Therefore what you are getting, n minus 1 is equals to 127. Okay, bring this minus 1 to the right hand side. N is equals to 127 plus 1. N is equals to 127 plus 1 is 128. Therefore n is equals to 128 terms are exist. Okay, here therefore what is asking? 127 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay, 128 number of digits, number of 3 digits, 3 digit divisible by 7 exist. Okay, this is the solution. Clear? That's all. This is the solution. Till now we discussed here nth term formula, a plus n minus 1 into d, and finding a value, n value, d value, right? For the series having a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma and so on up to nth series, a plus n minus 1 into d, right? For this kind of series we found nth term, common difference, and n term and a value finding, right? Now here we will sum it up. Here we have a series a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d, right? So we are adding up every term in the series. Then what is the result? A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, plus and so on, plus a plus n minus 1 into d. In this series, adding every term, then what is the result? That is what we call sum of n terms. Okay, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is equals to Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d will gives you result. Okay, if you know last term, okay, last term is equals, let us say a. First term, let us say first term is a. Then this formula can be again written as Sn is equals to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, this is the one formula. Okay, when we know first and last term, this is the formula of sum of n terms. Okay, this is sum of n terms when we have n, a value, d value. Okay, this is the formula. This is a formula we need to discuss. Now we will start with the problems. Okay. So find the sum of following APs. Here sum of, he said, sum of the series. Okay. First problem is given. This is 2 comma 7 comma 12 comma and so on up to 10 terms is saying 10 terms. So here what is asking in general? 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus up to 10 terms addition. If we add every number in the series, if we had, then what is the sum is asking. Okay, so first term is what here? First term is equals to 2 and the common difference is second term minus first term, second term minus first term, which is common difference is equals to 5, right? This is 5, 7 minus 2 is 5, a value is 2 and here 10 terms he said. So we know the sum of terms, right? Sum of terms, we know Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here what is asking? 10 terms is asking. So here n is known, n is equals to 10 terms we need to find. Okay, for the first 10 terms. So in the place of n, I am substituting 10 by 2 into here 2a, a value is 2 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 is 10 minus 1 into d value is how much? 5. So here 2 5s are 10, 5 into 2 2s are 4, this is 9 5s are 45, 5 9s are 45, so therefore this is 50, sorry 49, this is 5 into 49, right? 5 into 49, 45 plus 4, 49, right? Now here 5 9s are 45 and 5 4s are 20 plus 2 4, 20 plus 4 24, 245. Sum of terms in the series will gives you 245 is the result. Okay, 245 is the solution. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, here in the second question what is asking? Same sum of terms in AP. Okay, so here we need to sum up, add up every term in the series 12 up to 12. So given data first we will write. Okay, here a is equals to first term is minus 37 and the common difference is second term minus first term, right? Minus 37. So from here minus 33 plus 37 and it gives you 4, right? Common difference is equals to 4 and the first term is equals to minus 37 and here n is equals to 12 and 12 terms is said, right? So n is equals to 12. So sum of n terms formula, we know the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so from here Sn is equals to what? Sn is equals to n by 2 means n is 12 by 2. Okay, this is 12, S12, n by 2. In the place of n we are substituting 12. In the place of a we are substituting minus 37 plus n minus 1 means 12 minus 1 into d value is 4. Okay, so from here we can say that 2 6 are 12, 6 into this is 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 minus 74 plus 11 into 4 is 44, right? So here 6 into here 44 74, if I subtract 44 74 I can get 30, right? I can get 30. This is minus 74 plus 44, I can get minus 30, right? So I am writing minus 30. So here 3 6 are 18 minus 180. If I sum it I can get minus 180 term 180. Okay, result is minus 180. That's all. This is the solution. This is the solution for the second question. So here we have a third question, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 2.8 and so on up to 100 terms. Okay, up to 100 terms. Find the sum of following APs is asking. Find the sum of following APs is asking. So first term is what? First term is 0 0.6. Okay. Second, common difference is second term minus first term, right? 0 0.6. So I can get what? Common difference is equals to 1.7 minus 0 0.6 is how much? 1.1, right? Common difference is 1.1 and the a value is 0.6 and n is equals to number of terms, 100 terms we have given n is equals to 100. Okay, given n is equals to 100. So from here n is equals to 100, this is, and d is given, a is given, and sum of all terms, right? Sn, sum of n terms, sum of n terms, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we can write it as here s, and n is given, so sum of 100 terms is equals to 100 by 2. Here 2a, 2 into a value is how much? 0.6 plus n minus 1 is 100 minus 1, 100 minus 1 into common difference is 1.1. Okay, so 100 by 2 is 50, right? 2 6 are 12, 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1, sorry 1.1, this is okay, this is 1.1. so here 50, if I cancel this decimal part I can get 10, because after decimal one digit is there, that's the reason 10 I can get. If I cancel here 2 5, two digits are there, if I cancel this decimal point, then I can get down 100. Okay, if 3 digits means if I cancel I can get 1000. Okay, so in this way I have only one digit after the point, so I'm cancelling that point and I'm getting 12 by 10 plus 99 into, I'm cancelling this point, I can get 11 by 10. Okay, so 99 into 11 is how much? 99 into 11, so here 99, 99, so 9, this is 18, this is 10, 10 0, 1089, so 1089 is a result. Okay, 99, so 50, take LCM 10. Okay, take LCM 10, so here 12 plus 1089, 1089, so add up 12 to this number, then what is this? 11, this is 10 11, so 101101, right? So 50 into 1101, so 1101 by 10, so 0 cancel. So from here 5 into 1101, 1101, right? If I multiply this 1101 into 5, 5 into 1 5, 0, 5 into 1 5, into 5 into 5 5, therefore I can get the result 0 5. Therefore this is the sum of 100 terms. Sum of 100 terms with the result is 5505. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, that's all. So here given, find the sum given below. Okay, the first question we have 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 84. Okay, 84. So this is 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 84. Is this really AP sum? Let's check. Okay, A is equals to 7. Common difference is equals to missed fraction 1, 10 1 by 2 can be written as 10 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 tens 20 plus 1 21 by 2. Okay, this is 21 by 2. Common difference, second term by first term. Second term is 21 by 2 minus first term is 7. 2 7 is 14. 21 minus 14 by 2. Okay, then what? This is 7 by 2. Okay, this is 7 by 2. Right, this is 7 by 2. Common difference is equals to 7 by 2. Check whether this is 14 minus, also you will get the same only. Okay, common difference is 7 by 2. A is equals to 7, and the last term is equals to what we have. Last term is this, last term L is 84. Okay, therefore is asking sum of n terms, right? Sum of terms. So sum of terms can be written as, here last term can be written as, last term is nth term, last term is L, or else nth term is also same, nth term L is also same, 84. So nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into d, right? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 84. So we don't know how many terms here in the series, so first we find how many terms exist. Okay, A is what? 7 plus n minus 1. n we don't know, minus 1 into d is what, 7 by 2 is equals to 84. Bring this 7 to the right hand side, so n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equals to 84 minus 7. So if I write it as, if I remove 3 from the 70, 77, this is okay, 77. So n minus 1 into, this is 7 by 2 comes to the right hand side, it will become reciprocal, 7 2 by 7. So here 7 ones are 7 ones 11. So 11, 7 11 is 77, 11 into 2 22, so therefore 22. Bring this minus 1 to the right hand side, n is equals to 22 plus 1, therefore n is equals to 23 terms exist. In the series we have 23 terms, okay. Then what is the formula? Sum of terms. Here we need to find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. N terms we need to find, okay. Sn is equals to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Can I write? So I am writing that. Sum n is equals to what? 23, right? You are getting 23, n is equals to. So n is equals to 23 is equals to 23 by 2 into a is what? 7 plus last term is 84. Okay. So I can write it as 23 into 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84 is how much? 91, right? This is 91. So if I multiply this term, I can get the result, right? So this is 91 and 23. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So add up. This is 9 and this is 10. 2093. 2093 by 2 is the sum of 23 terms. Therefore this is the result. Okay. This is the solution. If you want to simplify, simplify it furtherly by dividing with 2. Okay. This is the final solution. That's all. This is the solution for the given question. Okay. This is a given question. This is a given. We found the solution. That's all. So here we have a series 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on up to plus 10. So here we have a first term. First term a is equals to what? 34. Okay. Common difference is equals to second term minus first term, right? 32 minus 34. So d is equals to minus 2. D is equals to minus 2 and a is equals to 34. And the last term we have, last term is equals to 10. And also last term can be written as nth term, right? Nth term is equals to 10. So we don't know how many terms in the series, right? So in order to find n number of terms, how many terms we don't know. So in order to find, we will use nth term formula. Nth term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 10. Okay. Here a value we know. A value is 34 plus n minus 1 into d value is how much? Minus 2 is equals to 10. So 34 send it to the right hand side. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to 10 minus 34. So here this is minus 24 and n minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 send it to the right hand side, it will become n minus 1 is equals to minus 24 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So n minus 1 is equals to 12. Okay, 12. Now minus 1 send it to the right hand side. So n is equals to 12 plus 1. Therefore n is equals to 13. 13 number of terms exist in the series. Okay, 13 terms of exist. Now we have sum of terms, right? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms in the series. So n is equals to 13. So Sn is equals to what is formula? N by 2 into first term plus last term I'm using. Okay. So Sn is 13. S13 is equals to 13 by 2 into first term is how much? 34 plus last term is how much? Last term is 10, like, right? Last term is 10. So 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 is 44. Okay, if I divide 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 13 into 22. 13 into 22. So 13 22. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. So 6, this is 8 and this is 2. Okay, 286. 286 is the sum of 13 terms. Therefore, this is the required result. This is the solution. This is the solution. That's all. This is the solution for the given question. Okay, so here given is a is equals to 5. Given is a is equals to 5. The common difference is 3, and nth term is equals to 50. And what is asking? Find n and Sn is asking. Find n and Sn. So we know a nth term formula. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 50, right? So from here a value is how much? 5 plus n minus 1 into d value is 3 is equals to 50. 5 bringing to the right hand side, then n minus 1 into 3 is equals to 50 minus 5. 50 minus 5 is 45. Okay, n minus 1 into 3. So 3 send it to the right hand side, n minus 1 is equals to 45 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. Therefore n minus 1 is equals to 15. N is equals to, bring this 1 to the right hand side, will become plus. 15 plus 1 is 16. Therefore n is equals to 16. Okay, n is equals to 16, we got it. Next, what is asking? Sn is asking. So Sn formula we know. Sn is equals to n by 2 into first term plus last term also can be written as L. Last term also can be written as L. Okay, nth term can be written as here. Nth term or last term, both are equal. So here n is what? N is 16, right? This is 16 by 2 into a is 5 plus last term is 50. Okay, so 2 8s are 16. Here 8 into this is 55. Okay, 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44. 440. Therefore Sn is equals to 440 is the result. Okay, this is the solution. Here given what is given? A7. A is equals to 7 is given, and A13 is given. A13 is equals to 35. Okay, then A13 is what actually? A13 is A plus 12D is equals to 35. 13th term can be written as A plus 12D. Okay, formula this is. A is what? 7 plus 12D is equals to 35. So 7 bring to the right hand side. 12D is equals to 35 minus 7. So what it will become? 28. 12D. D is equals to 28. 28 by 12. Okay. So what I can write here? 4 3s are 12. Okay. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Okay. D is equals 7 by 3. D is equals 7 by 3. We got it. Common difference. Then what is asking? S13 is asking. S13 can be written as 13 by 2 into, okay, first term plus last term is nothing but L only, right? Last term is L. So last is nth term only. A13 is equals to L. Same, both are. So 13 by 2 into first term what we have? 7 plus last term what we have? Last term is 35. So 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35 is how much? 42. So 2 2s are 2 1s are. So 13 into 21. So multiply and get it the answer. Okay, we'll get the solution. 21 into 13. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. So 3, this is 7, this is 2. 270. 3 is the S13 answer. Okay, S13 answer is this. This is the solution. What is asking? What is asking? D value and S13 is asking. D value and S13 is asking, so we found. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. So here what is given? First and last term of AP are 17 350 respectively. Okay, given is what? First term is first term A is equals to 17. Okay, common difference D, sorry, last term L or else AN, nth term, both are equal. Okay, 350. If common difference is 9 is given. how many terms are there. That means n is equals to how many is asking, and what is their sum is asking. Sn is equals to what is asking. Okay, so from here an is equals to 350, right? So an formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 350. So a is what? A is 17 plus n minus 1 into d value is how much? D value is 9 is equals to 350. Bring this 17 to the right hand side. So here n minus 1 into 9 is equals to 350 minus 17. Okay, 350 minus 17. Here if I subtract 350 and 17, what is the result? This is 3. This is 4 minus 1, 3. So 3, triple 3. Okay, n minus 1 into 9 is equals to triple 3. Okay, now 9 send it to the right hand side. N minus 1 is equals to 333 by 9. So here 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are, and 3 threes are 9, right? So you are getting n minus 1 is equals to triple 1 by 3. Minus 1 sent to the right hand side. N is equals to triple 1 by 3 plus 1. Therefore n is equals to 3 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 11, triple 11 plus 3. How much? This is 4 1 1 4 1 1 4, right? 1 1 4 by 3. Okay, this is the n terms we have. Here n is equals to 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 9 comes here 2 24, 3 8 is a 24, n is equals to 38. Therefore n is equals to 38. We got it. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into first term plus last term, right? What is Sn? Sn is n is 38, right? N is 38. So n is 38 is equals to 38 by 2 into a is what? A is 17 plus L is what? 350. So if we add up, 2 ones are 2 and ones come 2 8, 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, and this is, if I add up this, what I can get? 367, right? 367. If I multiply, I can get the result what? So if we multiply 19 into 367, I can get the result 6973. Okay, this is the result. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. That's all. This is the answer. So here first sum of 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are given. Now first given we will write. First given. Given is what? Second term 14. Okay, second term 14. The second term is A2 is equals to 14. Here A2 is what? A plus D is equals to 14. Next third term is equals to 18. So A3 is equals to 18. A3 is what? A plus 2D is equals to 18. So let us call it equation 1. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. A plus D is equals to 14. A plus 2D is equals to 18. So solving minus minus minus. Plus a minus a cancel. D minus 2D minus D. Okay, my 14 minus 18 minus 4. So minus minus cancel. D is equals to plus 4. D is equals to plus 4. We got it. D is equals to 4. Substitute any one of the equations. So I'm substituting in one equation. So 1 I'm substituting. 1 implies in the place of A only. In the place of D we have 4 is equals to 14. Okay. So this bring this 4 to the right hand side, and what you will get? A is equals to 14 minus 4. A is equals to 10. Therefore A is equals to 10. D is equals to 4. And what is asking here? Sum of first 51 terms is asking. That means S51 is asking. S51 is what? We know Sn is equals to what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D, right? So using this formula, in the place of N, 51 substitute. 51 is equals to 51 by 2 into 2A plus N. N is what? 51 minus 1 into D. So A is what? In the place of A, what we can substitute here? 10. in the place of a 10, and d is 4. D is 4. So simplify it. 51 by 2 into 2 into 10, 20, plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Okay. 51 by 2 into 20 plus 5 fours are 20, 200. So 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200 is 220. Okay. 2 11s. So 51 into 110. Okay, 110. So if I multiply this, what is the result? Here we will multiply with 51 into 11. Okay, this is 51 and this is also 51. 165. So 561 into 10 is there, right? 10. So 561, 5610. So sum of 51, first 51 terms is what? This is the result. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, this is a solution. So here we have a question. If the sum of the first 7 terms of AP is given data first, right? Sum of 7 terms, first 7 terms, S7 is equals to 49 is given in AP. Okay. That of 17 terms is 289. So S17 is equals to 289 is given. Okay, find the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms. So is asking to find Sn is equals to what is asking. Okay, so from here Sn is equals to, we know the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So use this formula. Okay, use this formula. So this is S7 is what? 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equals to 49. Okay, so this is 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6, d is equals to 49. Okay, so what I'm doing here, 7 by 2 sending to the right hand side, and in this bracket I'm taking common 2 common, then a plus, and I write 3d is equals to 49. If I send this whole term to the right hand side, I can get the reciprocal, right, to the right hand side. 2 by 7. So 7 7s are 49. Send it this 2 to the right hand side. 2 to the right hand side. Then a plus 3d is equals to 7 into 2 by 2. 2 cancel. So therefore a plus 3d is equals to 7. This is call it equation 1. This call it equation 1. And one more. Here S17 is given. S17 is equals to 289. S17 can be written as 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equals to 289. So 17 by 2, and this is 2a plus 16d into 289. Okay, so from here what we can write it? So here 17 by 2 I am sending to the right hand side. I am from here taking 2 common. 2a plus 8d. 2a is 16, right? 8d. So 289 into 2 by 17. Can I write this as 2 by 17? If I send this term to the right hand side, I can get the reciprocals, right? So from here, what I can write? 17 17s are. 17 17s are, right? Here 2 send it to the right hand side. A plus 8d is equals to 17 into 2 by 2. 2 cancel. Therefore 8 plus 8d is equals, a plus 8d is equals to 17 is the equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 now here. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. What you will get? A plus 3d is equals to 7. A plus 8d is equals to 17. Then subtract. A cancel. 3 minus 8 minus 5 is equals to 7 minus 17 minus 10. So minus minus cancel. Next, 5 2s are 10. Therefore d is equals to 2. D is equals to 2. Substitute in any one of the equation. So I am substituting in one equation. Okay, one equation implies what? One equation implies what? A is A only, plus 3 into D is equals to 7, right? In the place of D, substitute 2. So a is equals to a plus 3 2 is 6 is equals to 7. 6 send it to the right hand side. A is equals to 7 minus 6. From here a is equals to 1. A is equals to 1, D is equals to 2. Therefore A is equals to 1, D is equals to 2. We got it right. A is equals to 1, D is equals to 2. So we have A is equals to 1, D is equals to 2. So what is asking? Sum of first n terms is asking. So sum of first n terms formula, sum of n terms, sum of first n terms. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So n by 2 into 2a, a value is 1, okay, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is 2. So inside multiply 2 plus 2 into n, 2n, 2 into 1, 2. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So n by 2 into 2n and 2 cancel. N into n square. Therefore sum of n terms is n square is the result. This is the solution. Got it? That's all. This is the solution for the given question. This is the answer. Show that the A1, A2, A3 and so on AN are forms AP where AN is defined below here. So AN is defined below. So A1, A2, A3. So here first we will solve and second is homework problem. Okay, AN is equals to 3 plus 4n. If I substitute n is equals to 1, I can get A1, right? A1 is the first term. A1 is 3 plus 4 into 1. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So A1 is 7. Substitute n is equals to 2 in the AN. So you will get A2 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 2. So 3 plus 4 2 is 8. A2 is equals to 3 plus 8 is how much? 11. So A2 is 11. 7, 11 and so on up to. Okay. The series will be formed 7, 11, and so on up to. Okay. And the common difference we don't know, right? So the first term is what? First term is 7. And the common difference is x term 11 minus 7. How much? 11 minus 7 is how much? 4. 4. So 11 minus 7 is 4. So the common difference is 4. And the first term is 7. And what is asking? Find the sum of first 15 terms. 15 terms is asking. First sum of 15 terms. So S15 is asking. S15 is equals to 15 by 2 into formula. Sn is equals to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So this is the formula I'm using here. This is the formula. So 15 n by 2 into 2a. A value is 7 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means here n is 15, right? 15 minus 1 into d. D is what? 4. So 15 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 14, right? This is 14, right? 14 into 4. See here, 15 by 2 into 14, take common. So in the place of 14 you will get 1 plus 4. So 15 by 2 into 14 into this is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Okay, here we have a result. 15 into 5 into 5 is 520. 525. Okay, 525 is the solution. That's all. What is asking? S of first 15 terms is asking. So first 15 terms is S15. Okay, S15 is, that's all. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. This is the first bit. And second bit, homework problem. Okay, consider as homework problem. That's all. So here we have a sum of first n terms of AP is given. Given is what? Given sum of first n terms. Sn is equals to 4n minus n square is given. What is the first term? And what is the sum of first two terms? And what is the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th and nth term is asking. Okay. So first we will substitute n is equals to 1. You will get S1. S1 is equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. S1 is equals to 3. Here S1 is what? S1 is nothing but first term. Okay, sum of first term. Sum of first term is what? A is A only. A is equals to 3 indirectly. Okay, A is equals to 3 is the first term. Okay. Next term. Next here if I substitute n is equals to 2, then what you will get? What you will get? S2. S2 is what? 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4, and this is 4. This is S2, right? S2 is what? We know that S2 a sum of two terms, a plus d, or else first term plus second term is what? S2, right? So this is the S2. Okay, this is S2. So S2 is what? First term plus second term is equals to 4. Your first term is what? First term is a only. Second term is a plus d. Okay, is equals to 4. Therefore a plus 2a plus d is equals to 4. Can I write? So a is equals to 3, we known from this. Okay, substitute a is equals to here. What I can get? What I can get here? If I substitute a is equals to 4, a is equals to 3, substitute in 2a plus d is equals to 4. So 2 into 3 plus d is equals to 4. 2 3 is 6 plus d is equals to 4. 6 send it to the right hand side. Then d is equals to 4 minus 6. D is equals to minus 2. D is equals to minus 2. So 2a plus d is equals to 4, and a is 2 3 is 6. 6 send it to the right hand side. Minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. D is equals to minus 6. D is equals to minus 2. D is equals to minus 2. We got it. A is equals to 3. We got it. What is asking? Sum of first two terms is asking. First two terms is this answer. Okay. Sum of first two terms is 4. First sum of one term is 3. Next, what is the second term is asking. What is the second term? What is the second term? Here second term is what? Second term is a2, a plus d. Okay, second term this is. Second term. a2 is a plus d. A is what? A is what? 3. Plus d is what? Minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So second term is 1. That's all. This is second term a2. Next is what is asking? A3, A10 is asking, right? A3 formula is what? A plus 2d, right? A plus 2d. A is what? 3 plus 2 into minus 2. 3, 2 2s are 4 minus 4, hence minus 1 this is. Third term is minus 1. That's all. This is the third. And 10th term is asking. 10th term. Okay. 10th term. So A10 is equals to A plus 9d. So A is what? A is 3 plus 9 into d is minus 2. 2 9s are 18. So minus 15. This is 10th term. 10th term. And next nth term is what? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is what? A is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 2. So 3 minus 2n minus plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2n. So an is equals to nth term is 5 minus 2n. That's all. This is the solution. These are the solutions. What I put it the box, those are the solution. That's all. This is what they asked in the question. Okay, clear.